Okay, here's the 3 guns I'll be using. Spider Extra with a shoulder on the view loader, Tip 98 custom, and it was a custom view loader. It's camouflage, I painted it. That's standard Tip, there's nothing on it or anything. Tip 5 expansion chamber, 16-inch sniper barrel, 18-inch sniper barrel, and I think that's maybe like a 7-inch, just full standard barrel. Okay, see, how am I going to set this up? I'll just shoot it while it's in my hand. Tip 5, first shot, 2 years. Doing pretty good. Second gun, hold on 2 seconds. How about I shoot it while it's like this? There we go. Doing really good. I'm surprised these paintballs are even working on it. Okay. Just wasted front load of CO2. Okay, I'll make up a 18-inch sniper. This is shooting real straight. It's leaking. I'm gonna have some fun with this tomorrow. I've never used this barrel in a round, so yeah. Okay, now I'll do Spider Extra. Expansion chamber 2, I didn't mention that, my bad. I've never shot this gun. It is not leaking air at all. Here we go. The shoe's pretty good too. The thing's kind of get jammed in right here at the balls, so tell you why. If you lean just a little bit to the left, watch this. I kind of stop feeding it. Well, I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. I'm using the same camera. It's going to be a helmet cam, kind of. I'll probably just have it strapped to my chest, but see you then. And hope you like my guns.